Now, we will begin the demonstration of the cloud-native application platform, Cocktail Cloud. The following is an introduction to the process of deploying and running a developed source or container image. Click Services in the main menu. Click the plus button to the right of the service menu bar to create an application map. Select Cluster to deploy the application and enter the application map name. A new application map is created under the service bar. Click on the name to enter the map. Click the plus button created in the application map. It will open the Create Server screen. Enter the server's basic information. Type name and alphabet. The server name is the host name used by the Cocktail internal DNS server. Make sure the name is not duplicated. If single is selected, the number of instances is limited to 1. We will select multi here. Click the plus button on the right to enter the container information used by the server. The container settings screen is displayed. Select the container image. You can select the build connected to the source code repository or container image that is already being created. Set the CPU and memory resources to be used by the container. Enter the commands, environment variables, security settings, and health check that is right for the container image. Set the application policy to dynamically operate the application. Policies have instant policies and update policies. First, set the instance policy. Set the number of instances that you will use and select if you will be using the autoscaling. The application can be automatically scaled based on the current CPU usage. Next, set the following update policy. You can choose from rolling update, which replaces the application to the new version in order without service interruption, or recreate, which stops all legacy versions and replaces it to a new version at once. Set the application service port. To communicate within a cluster, set the cluster IP. To connect from outside the cluster, select node port or load balancer. You can allocate the storage to be used by the application. Even when the application closes, the data remains. After entering all information, click the Create button on the top right corner. You can see that a new server is created in the application map. The network information of the application, the number of instances, the usage status of this resource, and the image information is updated and displayed.